Good morning. This is the next day. We've reached Pittsburgh. This is what the hotel looks like. It's Doubletree by Hilton, right? Doubletree by Hilton. There was a lot of people yesterday. There's a huge property, like 400 rooms. And this is our room. We booked 2 double beds, so we slept in this bed, and that bed is kind of our luggage keeper. Now we are gonna get ready. We have to check out at 11 o'clock. We are gonna get ready and roam around in Pittsburgh, and then come back and then check out, and hopefully have a few more pit stops, and then reach Kentucky to meet our cousins. We are excited. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. We are gonna get ready quickly. We are anyways running late. I think here if you stay more than your given allotted time, they will charge you extra because your credit card is downstairs. So we have to quickly get ready and then roam around for some time, come back and then get ready and then check out as soon as we are going to a nearby park. We forgot our caps. So now, and it's really sunny. Wait, what's the park's name? That's my seat.
I opened the door for you.
I know. Zebra cross. Wow.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This place is so beautiful. Okay, this looks like a miniature New York. Oh God. We are at a Pittsburgh viewpoint. This is where we were supposed to come yesterday, but we could not make it here to see the fireworks. This is the view. I think Pittsburgh is a city of lakes and bridges. There's so many bridges. It's so beautiful. There are like a lot of ships parked here.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Sorry, it's good afternoon.
No.
It's good afternoon.
Good afternoon is after 12.
ठीक है अभी क्या टाइम हुआ?
अभी 11 भी नहीं हुआ है क्या हुआ तुझे?
Okay, so it's still good morning. I am getting ready. We have to be out of this room in another 30 minutes, and then we are going to Ohio. And from there, we'll be going to Kentucky. Correct, babe?
So far, so good.
So there's too much of things to do. Let's quickly get ready and then let's step out. Ready? Now let's check out. So we have officially checked out of the room and we are going out of Pittsburgh and we are going to Ohio. We will always end up getting what I want.
Obviously.
He would
I
have
like the build up towards it.
Yeah. He will ask like, do
Thinking
you?
that I have some option and all that in that.
No, but finally it's my call. Like whatever I want
You
is
don't have
finally
to
what
tell
we
the world.
get.
They already know. Everybody in my family knows.
Okay,
Even
so-
my boss knows. He's like, you should go here. I said, now somebody else is calling the shop.
In US,
Do we have to cross the road? I don't want to cross the road.
can you check? So in US, there's either like you will get burger or you will get bowls, mainly.
It's all closed, you know.
Yeah, it's all closed. Wendy's is open.
You saw?
Yeah, because today is 5th of July, right? So 4th of July is a big thing for them. So I think 5th of July they might be off. It's so hot, right? I got like good tan. Actually, I like the tan.
Wait, what kind of an Indian likes tan?
Like
I don't want any tan.
he doesn't like tan, but I like tanning. And you know how I know that I got tan?
tan नहीं बोलते इसको.
Graying बोलते graying.
Tan is for the people who are pale white.
You
For
become.
us, we will get burned.
I did get burned here and there.
We don't do tan. This is mine.
Cheers. We had lunch and we opened this chips called Pop Chips. Never fried, always real. Amazing, amazing flavor. I think it's better than the burger. And more flavorful than the burger we had. Salam, salam. Yeah. We are starting in Antakshari and somebody is losing.
No, we are not starting.
I mean, we are halfway in
I was winning and then she started the camera.
Yeah.
Because she wants to see me. But you will only win if I cannot sing and you have to sing a minute.
Yeah. I have it.
You have it?
I have it.
Wait, give me a minute.
He's not gonna get it. If you lose this, na? Like, where's my $50 for the foot massage?
Yeah, donut man.
No. So if I win this, you have to give me one more $50, or if you win this, I will give you $20. Okay?
What kind of a shitty logic is that?
It's a logic because you have a lot of dollars with you. I don't have a lot of dollars. So
I don't have dollars. I have Indian rupee. Indian. Bharat Mata ki jai, not dollars.
but due to parity, you get like
No, there is no such thing. No parity. यहाँ पे चंद पार्ट
Tick 1. It's been like 3 minutes.
यवन सुंदरी स्वीकरिक्युगी पवित्र मन्त्रिക പൂവുകൾ ജനിച്ച നാൾ മുതൽ സ്വീകരിക്കുവാൻ തപസിരുന്നവളാണ് ഞാൻ.
I don't even know if such a song is.
Song is there, but my tune is all wrong. यवन सुंदरी. There you go.
Yavana Sundari. Fine. ഞാൻ ഒരു പാട്ട് പാടാം കുഞ്ഞുമണി വീണ വീടാം പാട്ട് കേട്ടു നാട്ടുമൈന് നീ എറിഞ്ഞു കുഞ്ഞു താലി കെട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടോകും
There are police reports.
ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുപോകും കൊണ്ടുപോകും say you have to sing in pa now. Who asked you to sing? I would have figured it out. No. I'm gonna sing with pa or not. Pa. We are in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio. This is just a small pit stop to get some coffee and some not lunch. We're done with lunch. I think this place is very nice. Looks like a ghost town, obviously very less people, but looks very beautiful and very open and big. We are in Columbus and it looks like there's nobody here, like a very quiet town, very less people. The point was slightly scary. There are people, so like there's no people, but a big town and very small number of people. We're going to this place called as Roosevelt Coffee House for having some coffee. Yeah. Nice caramel latte. Cheers. You don't even need sugar. Got my caramel latte and we are leaving from Columbus. Not what I expected. It's very like nobody's here. Like no people. See, it's an empty street, and we are in the middle of the town right now, and this is empty. This is the middle of the town, right? This is Columbus, right? Cleveland. Yeah, but there's nobody here. So we are leaving with my caramel iced latte. I don't know why I'm speaking so low.
A few moments later.
Wow. I am so
Sleepy.
grateful to you for taking my head.
We are here at a place called as Sheets. It's a convenience store. And my husband wanted to experience a convenience store.
Oh, this is not our first convenience store. There are many convenience stores.
But he judges the town on the basis of their convenience store.
Kind of.
So we are gonna go. We're gonna go and get some coffee for him. I've had my coffee. No more coffee for me.
No more coffee for you?
No more coffee for me.
यार ये 4 बजे के बाद कॉफी नहीं लेना चाहिए पता है?
Huh, exactly. If you wanna sleep. But I'll go and experience. I'll find something to eat. I got Pop Tarts. It's just a quintessential American dessert kind of. And I got the blueberry flavor. I researched on the internet, and this is apparently the best flavor. So you wanna try it with me or like?
What is it? It's wafers.
Actually, you're supposed to toast it.
Or are you eating it like that? No.
Oh, it's okay. You can eat it like this.
It's
or
a
you can-
biscuit
No, it has a filling. See?
with cream on top.
Can I try?
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
It's too much of a hype. What is it? Biscuit? What does it taste like?
Oh, no, you try.
Crack
try.
that? What the hell, man? ये क्या है? इसके लिए तुमने इतना मतलब
I want to try. I didn't like it. But it has filling, it has frosting, it's something. One thing I know that you need to toast this before you have it. We did not toast it because we don't have a toaster.
Oh, like toasting is gonna change its taste completely.
You hate it. You're
I
such a
don't hate
hater.
it,
You're a
but-
hater. Sorry. Thank you. Having chipotle. This is what my bowl looks like, and this is what his bowl looks like. Your bowl looks like a rice.
What?
My bowl looks like more green and veggie kind of.
You didn't make the bowl, did you?
But I got to choose, right?
You chose brown rice.
Yeah, brown is better,
So?
healthier.
Oh.
Taste it and see how it is. How is it? Good? Have mine?
Good?
And spicy. So we are done with dinner. We're back on the road. And it's around 1 hour 41 minutes to Kentucky. Now we're just gonna chill, listen to some music, play some Antakshari, and then hopefully cuddle the baby. Come on. So we have a niece waiting for us, and our daughter find her very cute. We'll be seeing her today. So in like probably 1 hour 41 minutes we'll be seeing her, and yeah, I can't wait. But I'm gonna stop my vlog here. Normally for any of my vlogs, I never take a goodbye message, you know. Like there's no outro. I would always put something like thank you for watching, because I always forget to take an outro.
Because I don't think you're planning the end. You're just taking it as it goes, right?
Yeah, but I'll start with an outro. How do I say an outro? Okay, I'm gonna stop the vlog right here. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye. See you. You're also supposed to say something. Eh?
I see you.
See. Or we should copy Sarah. Bye. See you next week. Sarah, if you're watching, we love you. Okay, guys. Bye.